Hey everybody, it's Colorado Trailers. Wanted to show you guys a unit we're very excited to have back in stock. This is a 2019 Cargo Craft 7x14 Elite V Sport, loaded out, insulated windows, AC power. This one is in a charcoal blackout package. You do have the black diamond plate rock guard along the bottom, as well as the V-nose guard, so that's nice for the extra rock protection there. Triple tube extended tongue, so you're going to have a good turning radius with this unit. This one also has the side door with double lock protection. You've got the RV lock and cam bar there. Nice big gutter over that side door, and again, this one is equipped with power, so you've got an exterior GFI outlet, two 3,500-pound axles with brakes on all fours, aluminum wheels, black diamond plate fender. Here's one of your windows. We'll look at that more in a second. Side vents and stabilizer jacks underneath this unit. Rear ramp door does come with a spring assist close, so it's easy to open and close this rear ramp door. Plus, you've got the really cool black diamond plate wrap around your rear door jamb right there, as well as a nice gutter over this rear door. This one also has an LED strip load light up there, which is that one in the middle, so you guys will have some nice load light. Again, insulated walls and ceiling, so you've got the insulated walls and ceiling package with the white aluminum wall and ceiling liner. There's two of your windows. These are the 18x44 slider windows with screens. They are tinted, you can lock them, and again, they've got the screens, or you can open them up all the way. You also have a Maxx Air roof vent here in the back, which has the bubble cover over it so it won't leak water in. On your stuff, if you guys forget to close that, 7-foot interior height, so this is great for razors, UTVs, and side-by-sides. 4 D-rings ready to go in the floor, 2 there, 2 at the rear, and 2 at the front. You also have the amazing Nudo floor. You guys have heard me talk about this before. It's an amazing product. It's super durable on top, has Drymax underneath it. Drymax is the product that does not absorb the water or the moisture, and that's what's on the underneath side of your trailer. So much superior product than just having your standard wood floor. It's a great upgrade. It's gonna be great for longevity purposes. Again, this one is equipped with the 30-amp service, so you've got 4 interior outlets, 2 here on the side, 2 more up front. We'll look at that more in a second. Again, side vent here, your other side vents up there in the corner, so you're gonna get a little bit of natural cross ventilation through the trailer, which is nice if you guys are hauling dirt bikes and toys in here. Better look at both those windows. Again, you can open those up and get some great ventilation in the trailer. 2 LED puck lights. These are really bright, efficient little lights. I love these. Plus, they have a toggle switch on them. Now, those are going to come on right here with one of your light switches. Your other light switch is going to turn on your 4-foot LEDs. Now, these are going to work when you are plugged in with your power package. So, we've got this great 30-amp box right here. You've got a couple breakers, nice big long cord. You take that cord, pop it right through the floor, go into your generator, plug into an extension cord, whatever. That's going to power up your 4-foot LEDs. It's also going to power up your AC unit with a heat strip. So you guys have double climate control here with having the ability to heat and cool the trailer. And then I'm going to back up just a little bit and show you guys, you've got a full 14 feet here from tip of the V to the back. So that's going to give you guys essentially a 12-foot box plus a 2-foot V-nose front. So 14 feet total length, and again, the extra height. Insulated windows, AC power. So great trailer if you guys want to do a camper conversion, or if a hunting trailer, or whatever you're doing, or if you just like to have some comforts when you're out and about. So here it is. We'd love to earn you guys' business. 303-688-8485 is where you can reach us. You can check us out online anytime at coloradotrailersinc.com. We also have shipping options available, so if you guys don't live near us, that's okay. We've got an amazing transporter that runs for great rates all over the country, so you guys can call and get a shipping quote as well. So again, 303-688-8485.